Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much to fill a Zippo lighter. First, carefully remove the inner insert from your Zippo lighter case. Next, gently lift the felt pad located at the bottom of the insert. This reveals the cotton packing material inside. Now, position the nozzle of your Zippo lighter fluid bottle directly into the opening beneath the felt pad, ready for the next step. Now, slowly and steadily squeeze the lighter fluid bottle. You will see the fluid begin to saturate the cotton packing. Continue filling until the fluid reaches the very top of the cotton, just before it starts to visibly overflow. A slight sheen on the surface indicates it's full. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds of continuous squeezing for a completely empty lighter. Once filled, carefully lower the felt pad back into its original position, ensuring it covers the cotton completely. It is crucial to wipe away any excess lighter fluid from both the insert and the outer case using a clean cloth. This prevents skin irritation and potential fire hazards. Allow the fluid a few seconds, perhaps 5 to 10, to fully absorb into the wick before attempting to light your Zippo. For optimal performance, it's generally recommended to refill your Zippo lighter every few weeks with regular use, as the fluid can evaporate. Always use genuine Zippo lighter fluid. Other fluids may damage your lighter or affect its performance. To minimize evaporation and keep your lighter ready, store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or heat sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.